right here. He's got a big thing for the G right here, y'all. A lot of y'all probably saw this coming. It was a long time waiting. Took me a while. I had some people send me sound clips of what theirs sound like actually. So that kind of gives you a hint to what we got right here. But we got an exhaust for the G, y'all. It's full exhaust install coming right now. I did not get a catback. Well, technically it's a catback exhaust, but more so it's a wide pipe exhaust. If you want to be specific, I guess it's wide pipe back. Whatever, cool. I mean, a wide back, wide. Anyways, back to the exhaust, y'all. I'm going to be installing this exhaust right here. And right now. Let's go install this exhaust. Oh shit, is that stuck? Oh. What's in my cup? This is water, y'all. Some people heard, I know someone gonna be in the comments like, yo, bro, what he sipping on, bro? What you sipping on? It's dead ass water, bro. I just got this from our fridge. Oh, already. Oh shit, I didn't even record that. What? I said, well, you cut that. I already cut it up. Damn! Damn!
Alright, y'all. As y'all can kind of see right now, I'm under the car. Things aren't really going as planned. Our cameraman is over here. He's not paying attention. He's over here watching Matt Armstrong. Things were not really, working out for me the best of ways. But, come on, man. Like, look at Matt having fun, bro. Like, he's having fun with the Maserati and stuff. I'm over here stuck in their G, can't get the exhaust bolts off or anything. Like, I want to do donuts with the G. Let me do the donuts like that.
Damn.
Oh, he's stuck.
Damn, bro. Not gonna lie.
Nigga tired of shit right now.
Nah, I don't know how the fuck to get this shit out, bro.
Is rusted too much?
Let me show you. Let me get the camera. Show these niggas, bro. Bro, this shit is fucking crazy right now. I did not realize it's this bad, bro. All right, y'all. So we got a mouse tool right here. It's a hella rusted. Can't even get to go on the damn impact, bro. What the fuck? There we go. Shit. I can't even see. It's just too. It don't get it. Nah, it's definitely not moving, bro.
Gotta figure out a way, bro. Like Matt Armstrong, nigga.
Oh, word. Try to think. Give me a second. Let me think. Bro, I know we look crazy as fuck right now. We probably just two legs sticking up the back of the
under
car,
a
bro.
car. Hey.
No, did he? Executive decision, bro. Says wait. I'm so more prepared, bro. Needs to get more prepared for this, bro. Yo, another mouse tool time, y'all. Alright, y'all. Executive decision. I'm not gonna start exhaust today. One, this would work. There's not enough space in there though, so I'm gonna need a sawzall, like a straight, like a sawzall to cut it. And we're gonna get an angle grinder and some angle grinding bits right now because it's the next day. It's early in the morning right now. I'm gonna go make a Harbor Freight run. We're gonna get an angle grinder, and I'm gonna install this myself. I was contemplating having the shop install it for me because I already gotta take my car there to get my alignment, but no. What would a trained professional backyard mechanic do? He would do it himself. Here, we're getting this exhaust finally installed. I do have a little secret to tell though. I kind of did attempt it already, but nothing like too long ago, just right now. I use the angle grinder and I cut off all of this, and now the bolt comes through, so I could get the exhaust out finally. And just to let you know, you do have to take off this like middle bracket. It's like a bracket here. 2 bolts on this side, 2 bolts from that side, and then you can finally work on the exhaust hangers next. Hopefully the exhaust hangers don't give me a problem. I do have the tool though, so bear with me, y'all. I'm just gonna cut off the other bolt and get that one out, and we're gonna actually get this exhaust installed today. Hopefully it doesn't sound too crazy.
Hours later.
What's up, y'all? I probably look hella crazy right now. I actually just got the exhaust off. So what happened was my angle grinder died, and I didn't buy a second battery because this is the first tool I got. Well, power tool I actually personally had to buy from Harbor Freight, so I didn't get the second battery with it. I just got the little battery deal. If you know, you get it for like free tool, whatever. But look at that. I actually didn't think it was gonna come off, to be honest with you. It was literally hanging just like it was hanging on, and I'm sitting here grabbing my camera and it just drops like as I'm grabbing the camera. So, yeah, I feel like car guy, like 101, you have to turn the car on when you remove the exhaust just to see what it sounds like without the exhaust on. So I'm going to turn it on right now without the exhaust, just to hear it, you know, just to see what it sounds like. And then we're gonna not put the exhaust in today. We'll put the exhaust in tomorrow morning because I'm pretty tired, yeah. Oh shit! Yo, I gotta put the exhaust on though. I can't drive like this.
Nah, that shit too. That
Imagine, bro.
shit pulled over.
This
nigga.
shit would be ripped. I'll be like, vroom, pop, pop, vroom, pop, 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 pop.
Yo, that shit dumb loud, nigga. That shit.
Video.
Alright. Shit, I'll go record over there. Oh shit. Send that shit.
Nah, bro. Bulky pussy, bro. What is up, y'all? It is the next day. Finally installing the exhaust. It sounded crazy last night, I'm not gonna lie. It was dumb loud. Obviously, though, I'm not keeping it like that. I have no actual exhaust. I'm not just taking off the exhaust. We have right here single exit exhaust. No more dual exhaust. Single exit exhaust. ISR Performance. I know some of y'all probably be like, oh, another copy and paste G37 build with the single exit exhaust, black wheels, tints. But so a couple things stand out, obviously. Where I have some big plans and we have some things we got to get done. So we got to get this to get some other things done, if you get what I'm saying. Anyways, though, I'm going to go get this exhaust on. It's hot, y'all. Let's get this done. There we go. Whew. Yeah. Well, I hope you guys can see all this. There's a hanger right here. And there's a last hanger that pokes out the back, but I'll show that one after. Just came on my car. Alright. Damn, with the diffuser. Look kind of crazy. I gotta fix this diffuser. Don't look at the close-ups, y'all. I kind of cut it kind of rough when I did cut it. As I said, like, some people could fit it up perfectly. If you actually have aftermarket exhaust, you wouldn't have to cut it because it would fit fine. As you see, there's a big gap right here. But with the stock exhaust, you do have to cut it a little bit on this side. Sorry to move the camera. But I want to get a new diffuser, I think, actually. So we'll see. It might be something different. Hey, y'all. This is first impressions of the ISR Performance single exit exhaust. Let's see. I hope it's not too crazy loud. I don't want to be that, you know what I'm saying, that guy. It's not crazy loud last night though.
Nah, it's not.
I could drive with this. I could be fine with
this.
this.
It's a nice little hum, bro.
Yeah.
Little hum.
I could deal with that. Bro.
Damn.
It's not that. It quieted down pretty good actually. Let me check underneath. It's still dripping, but I looked it up and it should be fine once it heat up. It's just cause like it's dripping before the gasket, so that means it's not like the new exhaust is not flat or nothing. The like my original like Y pipe spot is like a little uneven, so there's like a little gap in there. But once it heats up, the gasket should like kind of bend to that, like wherever that spot is, it should be straight. But if it's not good in that like day or two of driving, then I'm like, you know, okay, go check that shit out, put some exhaust sealant on or something. That shit's like wow. You got some verbals low key. See, it's like a gentleman BMW, bro. It's like a subtle, not the ba ba ba. No, it's a ba ba ba, ba ba.